Hello travel enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a world of extravagance and sophistication as we unveil the top 5 most luxurious travel destinations on the planet. From private island getaways to opulent urban retreats, get ready to embark on a journey of unparalleled indulgence. Number 1. Maldives Magic. Our journey commences in the enchanting realm of the Maldives, a celestial haven where luxury takes on a new definition. Imagine waking up to a symphony of waves in an opulent overwater villa, where every vista is a masterpiece of aquamarine hues. The Maldives, renowned for its exclusive allure, presents an array of high-end resorts that redefine indulgence. Picture yourself unwinding with rejuvenating spa rituals, delving into underwater culinary adventures, and embracing thrilling water sports against the backdrop of paradise. Whether you're snorkeling through kaleidoscopic coral gardens, delighting in a moonlit beachside dinner, or merely absorbing the sun's caress from your private terrace, the Maldives epitomizes the essence of pure, unadulterated luxury. Number 2. Paris, France. Leaving behind the tropical allure, our voyage leads us to the timeless realm of Paris, the epitome of refined elegance. Picture yourself sipping champagne while gazing at the Eiffel Tower's shimmering splendor, or relishing gastronomic masterpieces of Michelin-starred restaurants nestled in historic neighborhoods. Paris, a synonym for sophistication, offers a different breed of luxury, one steeped in art, culture, and a sense of enchanting history. From private guided tours of iconic landmarks to exclusive fashion consultations at storied ateliers, Paris caters to the connoisseurs of the finer things in life. The city's magnetic charm, combined with its unparalleled offerings, crafts an experience that resonates long after you departed its cobblestone pathways. Paris is an embodiment of luxury that transcends material extravagance, inviting you to immerse yourself in the very essence of refined living. Number 3. Breathtaking Dubai. Our journey now whisks us away to the vibrant jewel of the Middle East, Dubai, a testament to modern extravagance. Imagine a city where luxury seamlessly merges with innovation, where towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds and designer boutique line the streets. Dubai's skyline is crowned by the awe-inspiring Burj Khalifa, a symbol of the city's relentless pursuit of grandeur. In Dubai, luxury knows no bounds. Immerse yourself in rejuvenating spa experiences that transport you to the realms of tranquility. Dine amidst the stars at the world's highest restaurants and ski down snow-clad slopes indoors. The juxtaposition of traditional Arabian heritage and futuristic innovation makes Dubai an unparalleled playground for the discerning traveler, where each moment is a testament to the city's unyielding dedication to offering the pinnacle of indulgence. Number 4. Serenity in Seychelles. As we continue our expedition, we find ourselves in the lap of untouched paradise, the Seychelles, a symphony of natural beauty and tranquility. Imagine awakening to the melody of gentle waves, ensconced in a luxurious villa nestled amidst emerald foliage, where the golden sands and turquoise waters are your private playground. Seychelles is a haven for those who seek solace in the embrace of nature's splendor. Unwind with the bespoke spa rituals that rejuvenate both body and soul. Relish gourmet meals overlooking vistas that seem straight from a dreamscape, and delve into the azure depths for encounters with vibrant marine life. Here, every day unfolds like a page from a fairy tale, inviting you to embrace serenity and luxury in a harmonious dance. Number 5. Extravagance in New York. Our final stop takes us to the vibrant heartbeat of the world, New York City, where luxury pulsates through the very air you breathe. Imagine gazing at the city's iconic skyline from a lavish penthouse suite, or immersing yourself in the glamour of Broadway, where the world's finest performances come to life. New York caters to those who seek extravagance at its finest. From private helicopter rides, offering panoramic views of the city's grandeur, to couture shopping along Fifth Avenue, the city thrives on delivering the epitome of opulent experiences. Dine at world-renowned restaurants where culinary artistry knows no limits, and relish the vibrant tapestry of cultures and lifestyles that converge in this bustling metropolis. New York's energy and allure make it a playground of luxury, offering a symphony of experiences that cater to the most discerning travelers. As we conclude our journey through the world's most lavish destinations, Remember that true luxury transcends materiality. It's an embrace of moments that touch the soul, leaving an indelible mark on our lives. And there you have it, our list of the top 5 most luxurious travel destinations in the world. Whether you're yearning for tropical tranquility, European charm, modern marvels, island serenity, or urban extravagance, these destinations promise a level of luxury that is truly unparalleled. Thank you for joining us on this journey through opulence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy travels.